Okay, y'all. Dollar Storm, Ninja Moon. Let's do it. Got the volume up, so let's make some cash.
Yeah.
Here we go.
The storm is a-coming.
The storm's a-coming, my friend. The storm is a-coming. So we need 6 balls. And then what's the bonus?
Those guys, the yellow.
Okay, so we need 3 of the yellows. Those are always wild.
If you're betting $1.25. Oh, you almost got it. Get that super grand chance.
Ooh, that's yet some grands.
Super grand is up to 45,000.
I feel good about this scene, folks. It's gonna hit. I know it's gonna hit. Here we go. It's $24. Yes, folks. We just got the bonus.
Nice. For the live stream, do you want to start at the Planet Moolah, the new Planet Moolah? Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you want. Okay, let's do it. Let's push it.
Make sure you subscribe so you can always see us go live.
Yeah, always subscribe.
This is like the Tiki Fire bonus.
Yeah. Yep, you're right.
I know, but we need something. Oh my gosh, we got blocked.
Okay, there's more out there, folks.
That was a terrible bonus.
Okay, we're done. Nah, we'll keep playing. I'm just joking.
Your card's not in, babe.
Oh, that's the reason.
No, that's not the reason.
Card in. Here we go. It doesn't matter if you have a card or not. It's a myth. Here we go. Do one stopper.
Low denomination for these.
Yeah, we can try that a little bit.
I'm just letting you know.
Oh yeah, I feel it here though. Yeah, we'll definitely go to that. Get them balls. Oh, yep, let's go to the
I mean, there's 10 cent, 25 cent. No, babe, that's 1 cent.
Be some 1 cent max.
No, I said $1. You can do $5 bet.
What's the 1 cent max though?
I don't know.
We do that on Firelinks.
Yeah, I do that on Firelinks.
We can do it here, see what happens. Get them ninjas. $8.
Oh my gosh, come on. See, it drops down to 5 lines though.
Yeah, I don't like that. Let's go to...
See what's on the 10 cent or 25 cent. So you can bet $5 on the 10 cent. Get it, get it!
Get it.
So you have 25 lines still on the 10 cent.
Let me try a 1 cent max. Do $5. 1 cent. Oh, see? It always spits out huge ones. Get them balls. $17. Big money. Let's make some cash. Oh, that'd have been nice. Come on, I want another bonus, but better.
See what happens on the 25 cent?
Let me do 2 more. And 1 more. And one's a Mozzie. Okay. Gotta switch your bet up, folks. Don't get stuck on one bet. Gotta rotate. Ah. All ninjas, my friend. We can do it.
We can do it.
We've been hitting bonus in every machine.
Well, I mean, technically you hit a bonus on this machine.
I did. I mean a good bonus.
I don't know, they've been taking all your money.
Get them balls. The grand's at 11,000, majors at 730. Minors at 100. You got a stopper, another stopper, and one more.
Maybe back to your 5 cent.
$1. Good hit. 14, Pete Rose. And 420. Let's make some money. That's what you call a good luck spin right there. Let's do it. There you go. It likes this bet. 5 cent, 250. It likes it. Likes it a lot. Okay, let's stick with this bet. It likes the bet. If it likes the bet, you stick with it. Let's do it.
Come on.
Let's see.
Place your bets. On that roll, we're moving along, singing a song and watching some dice all day long. Who's that this year?
What are you thinking? What are you feeling?
5 more spins, I'm out. Let's do that. Number 4. 3. 2. Let's get it.
Oh, you almost had it.
Last spin. We'll do one more.
Starting to spin them out for you.
Do a couple more.
Oh.
I'll go to 350.
All right, I think that's good. 350 is good.
350 is good. Okay, here we go. Okay, last spin. Okay, y'all. We had fun. I'm gonna auto moon out of here.
That's
No, it's not
even
autumn
autumn moon.
Okay, that's a sign. Yeah.
It's ninja moon.
Ninja moon, yeah.
You're gonna ninja out of
I'm
here?
a
How would
ninja.
you do that?
Like that, real fast. Let's do it. Let's get out of here.